Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Look, use your hand. Where's your nose? Good girl. Where's your eyes? No, your eyes. Honey, where's your eyes? Oh, no focus. You did it for the pictures. Where's your eyes? Where's your eye? Eyes. Eyes. Eyes.
Hi.
Where's your ear?
Hi.
Don't say hi. Where's your ear? What do you mean, where is it? Look. Where's your ear? Use this hand. Let go. Where's your ear? It's your hair, silly. You're not doing it right. Hello? Who's there? Here's Miss Susie, a hand for the camera. I don't think so. Close up! Close up! Whoa! Who's that baby? Who's that? Is somebody calling you?